What's up guys, this is Abhishek and welcome to Tech Admin YouTube channel. So guys, many of us are facing problems on Instagram servers issue. Basically our feeds are not getting refreshed, we are not able to see the proper contents. So today in this video I'll be showing you few tricks so that you can able to do whatever sort of things you want to do on Instagram. You can properly get your feeds refreshed, you can see all the contents with this few tricks basically. So let's get started. So guys, the first trick is you need to go to your profile. So this is my profile, how it looks. So basically if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do follow me. So basically you need to go to the settings, and on settings you need to log out your account. So what it does actually, it makes your account fully refresh, and it's try to clean all the caches or something which is being done in your account. So basically again you need to log in your accounts on the Instagrams, and this probably this is the way where you can properly get your feeds refreshed. See, now I'm just able to do all the things, and now I'm able to see all my contents and each and everything. So this is the very simple way probably you can do. You have to log out your account, and again you have to log in through your Instagram basically applications, and then you'll able to see your feeds, you'll able to see all the contents properly. So if friends this trick doesn't work, so here's the second trick. On second trick, what do you need to do? You need to uninstall the Instagram application. So probably I have uninstalled the application, and then you again have to go to the maybe Play Store, maybe App Store, whichever smartphone you are using basically on that. So probably you need to go to the I'm using Android, so I'm going to the Instagram Play Store. So I'm probably again downloading the Instagram. So see, so what does it happens is that friends, it clears all your data, it clears all the caches, it clears all the file which has been stored in the phone. So probably, so what does that, it makes the servers little bit free from here. And basically if suppose something is wrong from the Instagram, and then basically this trick I guess won't be sufficient, or this trick won't be work on that particular basis things. But this trick basically it happens probably I have used multiple times, and it gets sorted and it makes everything clear. So do uninstall the application and again install the application, and then you need to go to your Instagram. This is my Instagram profile, so you need to go to the Instagram profile, and then again you can see all the feeds, all the contents properly. So this is the second trick basically where you need to do all the things, stuffs like you need to uninstall and you need to again install the application. Now probably the third and the last trick is friends, you need to go to the application app management, and there in app management friends you need to find out the Instagram application. Probably I'm just finding it out. So yeah, here it is. So on Instagram, what do you need to do friends? You need to go to the manage you need to go to the permission, or you need to go to the storage usage, and on storage usage you need to clear the datas as well as you need to clear the cache. So I have done probably both the things. So now again you need to go to your Instagram this application. So probably I'll just so here it is. So yeah, so again you need to go to your Instagram application, and you need to sign it again, and there probably you can see all the things, all the contents, all the feeds, all the each and everything from Instagram. Wherever is server issue from your side, you can probably fix this by doing this simple tricks. It's very easy friends, it's very convenient. All the three things are very useful. First trick is basically very simple. You need to just log out and again log in. So this probably helps to refresh your face, helps to see all the contents. Then second tricks goes like this: you need to uninstall the application, you need to again install the application back. And third trick is that friends, you need to clear the data from the app management, and you need to clear the caches also. What does it? Makes your application fully free, it makes the application fully fresh as you install the application from Play Store for the first time. So clear all the data, clear all the cache. This probably three tricks basically might work for you. If this trick also doesn't work for you, or basically for many of you, then probably this server is from the Instagram sites. So that probably things you can't fix it because they have to fix from there. And so basically this is the small trick. Basically when you are stuck on something or there's something wrong from your end, so this trick basically works for you all and you can probably fix all the things. So this is the friends trick how to fix your Instagram server issue. If you like this video, probably hit that like button, share this video with your maximum friends if they are also facing this kind of issue, friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and click that bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload the video. And friends, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. Till then, this is Abhishek signing off. Peace out.